my name is Mohammed Kamal. Today we'll be starting ServiceNow. So right here, as you can see, this is my dev instance, and here is the URL, and the build is Kingston, and the day remaining I have is 10 days. So which means that if I am not using this application in 10 days, though, the ServiceNow is gonna reclaim this application. So I don't want that, so I have to log in every day and play something at least. So here, let's go ahead and start by clicking here, because I don't want to put that password. So when I click here, it will take me directly to the ServiceNow landing page. So over here, you will have the main ServiceNow homepage, and also under here the filter navigation, so you can filter any application that you have. And basically this is the application, and this is anything you can make favorite will be here. For example, I make home, pro tracker, item request, those are my favorite, then I keep them here. And then here is the history, whatever you search will be here. So ServiceNow has a very good IDE called Studio. Let's go ahead and start creating an application from the Studio. So under Studio, you will have two options. You can start application by creating or from importing a source control. Source control, it can be from GitHub. So right here I have a number of applications and their version when I create them, and then how many times I update them is basically found right here. So if I start create an application, I will have three options to create an application or to start creating an application. The first one is from the scratch. So I'm just gonna click right here this button, and it will bring me a fresh and a new application, so I can create that application from the writing that table. And the second important is custom application. So basically in ServiceNow, the most common way of creating application is creating using a custom application, which means you will have an already created application. You can create your own from that one. So let's say you can start from task table to create another service table. And then the third way is start from the service. So you can also start creating an application from a service. Alright, so before we conclude the today's session, I'll be asking you a question. How many ways of creating application are there in ServiceNow? Alright, very good. So three ways. One is you can start from the scratch, you create a custom application, or you start from a service. What is the way that ServiceNow used to create application? Is that a Sublime Studio or a Studio? Just multiple question. Perfect. Those of you who say Studio, that is ServiceNow is using to create an application Studio. Alright, thank you for attending. Hopefully we're gonna continue our discussion with the next episode. Until we see each other, you have a great day. Bye.